Hi guys, welcome to Polaris 2020. इस इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो को आइए अंत तक देखते हैं. Let's watch this video till the end. In this video, we will discuss certain interesting facts about parrots. So let's start the video. Fact number 1. There are around 393 species of parrots. There are 3 different families of parrots. The Psittacoidea, which are known as true parrots, Kakatoid, which are cockatoos, and Strigopoidea, which are New Zealand parrots. Fact number 2. Parrots eat with their feet. All birds have amazing grip, but only the parrot is able to hold food up to their beak while eating. Fact number 3. Most parrots can imitate sound. They don't have vocal cords as humans do. They use the muscles in their throats to direct the air differently, which allows them to mimic sounds. Fact number 4. Parrots can live for over 60 years. The bigger the parrot, the longer their lifespan. Macaws usually live between 25 to 50 years, while medium-sized parrot commonly live between 15 to 20 years. The lifespan of a household parrot is around 30 years. Fact number 5. They have strong beaks. Parrots are known for having a curved beak with the top part of it larger than the bottom. The largest macaws have a beak so powerful that they can crush a Brazil nut and can open the metal cages. Fact number 6. Parrots are omnivorous. They eat both meat and vegetable. Parrots love seeds and also eat flowers, fruits, and insects. They love to eat mango, starfruit, papaya, and bananas. Fact number 7. The kakapo parrot can't fly. This is the largest kind of parrot. It can weigh up to 9 pounds and grows to over 2 feet long. It is the only member of the parrot family that can't fly. Fact number 8. They are one of the most intelligent birds. Parrots are smart because they have a brain neural circuit similar to primates, including humans. Scientists believe that parrots have the same logic as a 4-year-old human child. Fact number 9. A group of parrots is called a pandemonium. The word pandemonium also means wild and noisy. It is a fitting name for this group of social chatterboxes. Fact number 10. Parrots taste with the tops of their beaks. Though parrots do have some taste glands at the back of their throats, most of their taste buds are located on the roofs of their mouth. I hope the video that you saw just now was informative. Kindly make it a point to subscribe, share and like Polaris 2020, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much.